All right, guys, so he just pulled off and he left me a synthetic rug here. So I just went to explain to him on, setting the expectations, basically, explaining how this will look much, much cleaner here, but it will never be back to this dark, nice, plush, crimped, unscratched synthetic fiber there versus the traffic areas, but it will be much, much cleaner. So I got this rug, and so it's basically an 8 by 10. So I'm gonna get it done for them by next week. So we can see the after of this polyester machine tufted rug. Tufted. It was tough. It was tough to clean. So, but we got it. I think I got it to a satisfactory level, which I'm very happy with. So much brighter. Handled a lot of the tough areas that did wick back. So it was able to finish it off and keep the fibers nice and bright. So I'm happy with the results.